What's up? Welcome back to Whitney Styles YouTube channel. This video is another Shawty Wig product intro review. So I love red hair. You already know that. This is definitely a vibe for me. This might be my favorite color yet. The color is dark burgundy 99J. It's so pretty when the sun hits it. So in natural lighting, it looks more red. But then when you're indoors or in like fluorescent lighting, it looks more of the dark burgundy. I'm wearing a wig, but it didn't start out this way. This actually started out as their natural straight human hair bundles. To achieve this look, I started out with 3 bundles and a 4x4 lace closure. Both the bundles and the closure are 14 inches and human hair texture. This is a close-up of what the bundles look like. So I just want to show you the hair from the weft down to the end so that you can get an idea of what it looks like. And even though I show you 3 bundles here, we really only used 2.5 to construct my wig. You're looking at the products straight out of the box before we do anything to customize or manipulate them. When doing hair reviews, it's really important to show the viewers exactly what the lace looks like because viewers are potential customers and I want you to know exactly what you're getting. So this particular lace has a tan tint to it. This is what it looks like next to the silver dust bag. And it's also important to tell you what color the lace is because I've worn 3 different Shawty Wig hair products. So 3 different colors, 2 different textures. With each hair product that I've worn, the lace has been a different color. So definitely an important detail to pay attention to. This is my wig prior to install. So this wig, along with 98% of the other wigs you will ever see me wear, was constructed and installed by Elite Wig Collection. Definitely one of the best in Grand Rapids and one of my personal favorites. With the closure, the knots were bleached. It was plucked to create a side part and then also plucked to create a more natural looking hairline. This deep burgundy hair has lots of dimension and I love the color. After the wig was installed, we decided to cut it. I'm personally a fan of blunt cut hairstyles. I love asymmetrical looks, but then I also wanted to get rid of the ends because they looked a little bit stringy and I like my hair to look full. So far, I've only worn the hair straight, but I did use a flat iron on it just to bump the ends and then knock out some of the waves that happened when I slept overnight. Look how the hair moves. The hair definitely has body. It flows when I move, which is always a good sign. It's shiny and it's soft. I really like this hair. So just running my fingers through it, there is no shedding at all, no tangles. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please drop those in the comment section below. If you want to see other Shawty Wig products, then definitely check out their website, www.shawtywig.com. And then also follow them on Instagram and Facebook so that you can stay plugged in and then catch those sales.
It's live?
Yeah, we live. We live.
Shawty, what your name is?
It's Shawty Wig.
Shawty Wig.
Shawty Wig.